I didn't invent the time machine to travel through time. I invented the time machine to win at gambling.
I know, Doc.
Unless you want everyone in division to think you're McFly?
Nobody calls me McFly.
Go out the front door. I'll meet you there.
It doesn't open. There's no doorknob.
You could take me home.
Yeah, great. I had a feeling about you too.
Feeling too.
Hey, butthead! No, thanks.
Mission accomplished.
That means Jennifer's okay, 90's okay, right?